What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shay White, and if you are new, thank you for joining. If you're not following me on social, make sure you do at It's Shay White on both Facebook and Instagram. And do me a quick favor. I am trying to get to 100 subscribers, and I really appreciate it if you just subscribe to this channel. Just hit that button down below real quick, and then we can get right into the video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you guys what I eat in a day. I am currently on a weight loss journey. Between January and now, I have gained over 25 pounds, which I've never gained weight like this before in my life. I've never been this size, and I am on a mission to lose it. I need my sexy back. I want to feel like myself. I want to feel snatched in my bikinis, and the pounds have got to go. So I started my weight loss journey June 15th. It's been about 6 weeks, maybe a little more, and I've been failing. Which I'm not embarrassed to say. We are in uncharted territory. We've never had a pandemic like this before, and due to the circumstances, it's just easy to gain weight and hard as to lose it. We're in the house all day, constantly snacking. Gyms are closed, so we can't work out as normally as we would. We're working from home, so we're not getting that exercise from the commute and stuff. And there's just a bunch of variables that can contribute to it. So I'm being very patient with myself and understanding it's okay however long it takes me to lose it. It's fine. Be patient and just keep at it. For the first 6 weeks, it's been a bit of a mess. I stayed stable for quite a while. Then I lost 4 pounds and I gained that right back, and I'm kind of where I started. So I am trying it again. These next 6 weeks, I hope to be transformative for me. I am going to go a little harder and be a little more stringent. So one of the things that I'm going to do is I am doing intermittent fasting, where I am only eating in an 8-hour window. From 11 to 7, I have my meals. And in restricting myself to that 8-hour window, not only is this healthy for the body, like I've always wanted to do this because I think it's very important to allow the digestive system to rest for a bit. I think eating all throughout the day and constantly having your body churning and burning down food is not healthy. Your body needs more than 8 hours to rest from breaking down food. So intermittent fasting is very helpful and healthy for you. So I am doing the 8-hour window, and I find that normally I could eat 2 to 3 big meals and like 2 snacks a day. But now with the 8-hour window, I find that I'm eating 1, maybe 2 big meals and 1 or 2 snacks. So I'm definitely downsizing in what I'm eating. And before, I'm not gonna lie, I am on a plant-based vegan diet, and your girl was eating everything. I had chicken, I had dairy, I was living on tres leches every week. I was ordering a lot of takeout. I was killing that Impossible Burger at Burger King. I was eating all the eats, and this time around, it's not gonna happen. There's no takeout. I'm limiting myself to literally 1 takeout meal a week, and I'm eating all healthy plant-based food that's in my home already. If you're interested in seeing what that looks like, then keep watching. I always start my morning off with a cup of hot lemon water. This is really good for you because it aids with digestion, and it's really good at keeping you hydrated. This also aids with weight loss. So for breakfast, I'm having a fruit smoothie. It's always really good to get your fruit first thing in the morning. They digest quickly, and it's a good way to ease your stomach into the heavier foods. So here I'm just blending some organic mixed berries and adding in organic mango chunks. So next I'm adding in filtered water. This is the AquaGear filter that I love using. You can find a link to it either in the description box below or in my Amazon store. And then we just blend it all together. So once you have a good consistency, you just add it to the bowl. And then it's ready for some toppings. I used banana, coconut flakes, kiwi, and chia seeds. So for lunch, I decided to make avocado toast, which is my absolute fave. There's so many ways to make it, but today I decided to use mushrooms. So I added a little grapeseed oil with mushrooms and 21 seasonings to the pot and just allowed the mushrooms to saute a little bit. After a couple of minutes, I gave them a quick little nice stir. And now off to make the avocado part. So here I just take an avocado and I'm scraping it out into a little bowl. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper, some chopped cilantro, some sea salt, and a little drizzle of that good lemon juice. I love lemon, so I put a lot in this. I usually add chopped red onions, but I ran out, so I went without it today. And then you mash it on up real good, real good. And now you can spread it on the toast. For bread, I always use Ezekiel bread. It's my favorite, it's the most heartiest. It's pretty clean and healthy. If you haven't tried it, definitely look into it. And then I add the sauteed mushrooms on top. So I'm gonna just move these around a little bit, try to make it a little pretty for you guys, but I guarantee you it tastes really good despite how it may look. So then we're gonna add a little bit of crushed peppers to give it a little zing zing. And there you have it. Fresh avocado toast with mushrooms, and it's so delicious. For dinner, I'm having sauteed mushrooms with asparagus and sweet and savory carrots with jackfruit cakes. So I drizzle a little of grapeseed oil in the pan. It heats well at high temperatures, and just swirl it around a bit. Then add in my asparagus, and then I'll season it with a little bit of black pepper, and then the 21 seasonings from Trader Joe's. I sprinkled a little bit of that good old onion powder on top, and then added a whole bunch of garlic. I love garlic, so I OD'd with it with this. Then I tossed in the mushrooms and give it a nice little stir. And then I'm gonna add the lid on just so we can trap in the moisture. I don't want the vegetables to dry out, but still to cook well. And then we can move on to the carrots. So I'm gonna butter the pan with some vegan butter. I usually use the Earth Balance brand. And then I'll just toss in the sliced carrots. Since dinner's the last meal of the day, I try to keep it light and avoid having any sort of carbs, just so that my digestive system isn't working too hard late at night. I seasoned this with the 21 seasonings as well, and then just gave it a nice little stir and allow it to cook down. After about 10 minutes or so, then I add the organic blue agave to the carrots to sweeten it up a bit. By now the asparagus and mushrooms are done, and then we can plate. So with my veggies, I tend to like them to have a little bit of a crunch. I try not to cook any vegetable more than 15 minutes or so, just because the longer you cook it, the more nutrients you'll lose out of it. For the jackfruit, I baked it in the oven for about 8 minutes on each side at 425 degrees. And then I sprinkled a little bit of lemon on the asparagus and mushrooms and also on the cake. And there you have it, 3 quick vegan meals that you can make each in under 10 minutes. So that wraps up my video. I hope you enjoyed watching. Maybe some of these meals look tasty enough for you to try. If you do, or recreate them and add your own little touch, definitely let me know. At me on Instagram, share your pictures and tag me in them. I'd love to see. If you have any other suggestions on what you do, any other good vegan meals that you suggest that I try, definitely let me know. If you enjoyed seeing this type of video and you want to see more food videos with the things that I eat in a day, or even just talk more about my diet and nutritional things, let me know in the comments. That is it for today. If you enjoyed, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment and share with your friends. That is it for today, and I'll see you guys in the next one.